Joking audits, 22nd of November, 22 o'clock, 100 hours. And we're going to see something exciting today. Well, I think it's exciting. This guy is going to get an upside down car onto the back of a flatbed trailer without a crane, just a winch, I'm guessing. So this shall be fun. Joking audits if you want to watch it. YouTube. Look at how strong that guy to pull that out of there. I'm hilarious. I'm hilarious. What can I say? That's why I'm joking audits. I'm only joking. I'm only joking. Only joking. Nobody's ever even called me out on that. No comments about it. Oh, that's a good name. Actually, maybe one guy. Or maybe that was my dad, actually. Oh, that's a good play on words. Childish, maybe, but, you know. So if it goes bang. That might go bang. No petrol leaking out. Oh, there we go. Wow, cars make some right noise, don't they? This is what YouTube wants to see. Crunching £1,000 vehicles. Get them off the road. Boom! Have that. Well, you're earning your money tonight. Don't lie. Harassing the public is not earning your money. No, I cycle up there, man. You better not. You better. I cycle there. Thank you. I'd help, but I'm doing my job at the moment, so. I won't help really. Don't lie. Turn the light on for him. if that'll help. That were actually easier than I thought. Didn't tip over very straight though, did it? Now this guy's got to check, make sure no fuel leaking out. Maybe. I can smell petrol. Oh no, it's probably truck. It's powering the winch. Can definitely smell petrol. I don't like it. I don't like it. Step away from the petrol. Can't see it leaking though. Actually, maybe there's a bit. No, probably a shadow. And that's what you get for taking a lift with boy racers. That's what you get.
On YouTube.
Yeah.
What channel?
Joking Audits.
What?
Joking Audits. What police station are you from? What police station are you from? Ecclesville. Thank you. Well, you've passed Joking Audits. 1,000 views on YouTube. Complaints and all sorts of stuff, man. You don't want to go down that road. Trust me. My YouTube subscribers complain as well, so got to watch. My YouTube complain as well. Like they send letters into police station saying leave Joking Audits alone and all sorts of stuff, man. So. If you pass, you get. Oh, wait until that's stop making noises. Ooh, that tire's broke. Maybe they just got a puncher and flips over. There's damage on the left side back passenger door. Don't know if that were caused by collision or it's like I don't think someone would have bashed them, or maybe they spun round, hit something there, and that's flipped them over. But what did they hit? It looks like a lamppost. Oh, I do love the machinery. Oh, good. I went too far forward, I think. Hope I get rid of this mess. Why does it just? Why does it? Can I just turn autofocus off somehow? How the hell do you mess with settings and it's going blurry again? Blurry. So I'm shaking or something. I mean, what phone's the best cameraman? I'm probably £165 only. That's probably the most I've ever spent on my phone, I think. Oh, I spent 200 before. 220. I know, 120. Yeah, it is probably the most I've ever spent on a phone. Spent £1,000 on a computer and that was shite. No, I didn't spend £1,000, I spent like 700. It was shite. It was like out of date in like 2 months. Yeah, probably just picked the wrong time, really, but you know, when you're young, dumb and impatient. What about the rubbish? What about the mess? Failed. Thought you were going to pass and then you just failed. There's another policeman. I suppose I shouldn't be shouting at the stall night, but police didn't stop me. It's only 10 o'clock. Got till 11. I can shout as loud as I want till 11. Oh, actually, it's nearly 11. I'll start calming down a little bit. Calming the voice down. that guy on the bus. It's a bit of a shame, isn't it? Poor guy's got a bit all around that for you. Let's see what that says. Why don't we just pick it up there and then? Look actually.